This is Craft Beer Zombie. We are at Saloon Door.
You know what? You should slowly bring it in.
There it is.
When you're ready.
Boom. We're gonna try to film the beer pour at 200 frames per second.
200 frames per second. That's a lot.
It's gonna be sweet. What are you doing, a test right now?
Yeah, I'm just doing a test. Clean slow-mo.
That's a
pretty
nice
badass.
test. That's pretty slow.
No, I think I could go slower. There was a setting I got to at 180. Where the heck was I? I gotta find it.
It's gonna be, we might go lower than 200 frames a second. I don't know, we'll see. It's gonna be sweet. We're gonna figure this out.
Eventually.
It's bright.
It's bright.
I don't know if we're peaking or not.
We are peaking.
Maybe that's fine. See, nobody watches my thing anyways. So yeah, that's it. That is. Why am I looking at that? Why am I looking at
When you ask it, it's Nitro. Nitro by Saloon Doors.
in slow mo? That's it. Craft Beer Zombie. Stay tuned for more.